After setting up your Instagram inbox automation, the next smart move is managing your comment section. Bot commerce lets you automate replies, hide offensive content, and even use AI to craft dynamic responses. Let's walk through how to use comment automation to level up your engagement and keep your brand's tone consistent, even in the comments. Head over to the Instagram section and click on Comment Automation. Pick a post you want to work with, then hit Settings on that post. Now, flip the switch to enable Auto Comment Reply. Make sure to unselect Yes for template use. We won't be using one just yet. Next, let's enter some offensive keywords that you want to get automatically deleted if someone comments them. You can choose Hide if you prefer them to be hidden instead. Turn on Auto Reply if you tend to reuse comments often. And right after that, you can set it to hide comments after the reply is sent. Totally up to you. Now, let's try out the AI-based automated replies. First, give your campaign a name. Then, write the AI data prompt. This is what the AI will use to generate its replies. Go ahead and submit the template and hit OK. Let's test it out. Drop a comment on the post. Now reload the page. Boom, there's the AI-generated reply. Now, let's try an abusive word from the list we entered earlier. Refresh the page. And yep, it's gone. The comment was deleted just like we set it up. Next, let's explore how the generic auto reply works. Head back to the settings on your post. Click on Edit Auto Comment Reply. Now, toggle on Generic Message for All. Give your campaign a name and write the reply text you want to use. You can even tag the commenter by mentioning their username. And if you've already got message templates saved, you can totally use one, or set one up for private replies. Save the template, click OK, and we're good to go. Let's try it out. Comment something on the post. Wait a second or hit reload. There it is, a generic reply just like we wrote it. Now, let's test how to send specific replies by filtering keywords or phrases. Go back to your post settings and choose Send Message by filtering word or sentence. You can set it to look for exact matches, or just any match within the comment. Click Add More Filtering. You can add up to 20 filters. Enter your keywords or phrases, separated by commas if you've got more than one. Then write the message for when those words are found. Also, set up a fallback reply for when no match is found. Hit Save, then OK. Let's see it in action. Leave a comment using one of the filter keywords. Refresh the post. Boom. The filtered reply showed up right on time. Now try a general comment with no keyword. And yup, there's the fallback no match reply we set.